In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up and customizing your Natal Basic widget using the Divine API dashboard. This widget is a fantastic tool for providing detailed natal chart readings, offering insights into personality, planetary positions, and much more. By integrating this widget into your website, you'll create an engaging and informative experience for your visitors. Let's dive in. To get started, log into your Astrology dashboard. Simply open the login page in your browser. Enter your registered email and password and click Sign In. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Widgets option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access the list of available widgets. From here, select Western Astrology, and then choose the Natal Basic widget to proceed to its customization panel. Now, let's integrate the widget into your website. In the customization panel, you'll find 3 integration options. If you're embedding the widget directly into your HTML, use the script code snippet. For more flexible platforms, the iframe code snippet works best. And for WordPress users, you can use the shortcode for seamless integration into your pages or posts. After selecting your preferred method, click the copy icon next to the code and paste it into the appropriate section of your website. This step ensures your widget is live and ready to use. Now comes the fun part, customizing your widget. By clicking the +Create New Setting button to create a new configuration or select an existing one to edit. Give it a name, such as Natal Widget Custom, so you can easily identify it later. From here, you can personalize the widget's appearance. Adjust the color scheme by choosing from pre-designed themes like Serenity or Emerald, or create your own custom colors to align with your branding. Next, select a font style that matches your website, whether it's the elegant Cormorant Garamond or the modern DM Sans. You can customize the text fields to make the widget more engaging and aligned with your website's tone. Start with the main heading and subheading. For instance, set the heading to Natal Chart Reading to grab the user's attention and personalize the subheading to highlight the widget's purpose, such as discover insights into your personality and life path based on your birth chart. In addition, you can update the form heading and button label to guide users more effectively. For example, set the form heading to Get Your Natal Report to clearly indicate the form's purpose, and adjust the button label to say Get Your Report for a concise and actionable call to action. The Show Gender option toggle allows you to enable or disable the gender field in the form, providing users with the choice to specify their gender for a more personalized Natal Basic report. The widget's content is fully customizable to match your audience's preferences. You can choose to display sections like personality traits, planetary positions, house cusps, aspects, moon phases, and sign reports. Additionally, you can rearrange these sections to prioritize the most relevant insights. For example, placing personality traits and planetary positions at the top ensures users see the key information first. Once you've made all your customizations, use the preview functionality to ensure the widget looks perfect across devices. You can toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to check responsiveness and layout. When you're satisfied, click Save to finalize your changes. Then, click the Back button to return to the widget overview page, where you can copy the updated code and embed it into your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up and customized your Natal Basic widget. This powerful tool enhances your website by offering personalized astrological insights to your visitors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching and happy customizing.